In a world where threats in the sky are evolving rapidly, advanced air defense systems play a critical role in safeguarding nations from missiles, aircraft, drones, and even satellites. Today, we'll reveal the top 10 most powerful air defense systems in the world, including their origin, speed, range, global users, capabilities, and total system cost. Let's dive in. Number 10, Akash Air Defense System. Developed indigenously by India's DRDO. Operates at Mach 2.5 with a range of 25 kilometers. The latest Akash Prime variant offers a range of up to 30 to 35 kilometers. Active in India. Intercepts aircraft, helicopters, and UAVs. Approximately $100 to $150 million per system battery. India's cost-effective shield for tactical defense. Number 9, Patriot, a joint product of India's DRDO and Israel aerospace industry. Travels at Mach 2 with a range of 100 kilometers. Deployed by India and Israel, it is capable to neutralize aircraft, UAVs, and missiles. Around $200 to $300 million per battery. India's indigenous defense lead. Number 8, HQ-9, China's premier system from Kasich. Speeds of Mach 4, range of 125 kilometers. Used by China and several allied nations. It can target aircraft, UAVs, and ballistic missiles. Roughly $200 to $300 million per battery. China's strategic tool in airspace defense. Let me tell you an interesting thing about HQ-9. It is a copy of Russian S-300 air defense system. Number 7, David's Sling. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Raytheon. Missiles travel at Mach 7.5 with a range of 300 kilometers. Operational in Israel. Designed to intercept medium to long-range threats, including ballistic missiles. Around $1 billion per battery. Number 6, Aster 30 SAMP/T. A joint venture between France's MBDA and Italy's Leonardo. Missiles reach Mach 3 with a range of up to 120 kilometers. Deployed by France, Italy, and Singapore. Can eliminate aircraft, UAVs, and ballistic missiles. Estimated cost $500 million per battery. Number 5, Iron Dome. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries. Missiles travel at Mach 2.2 with a range of 4 to 70 kilometers, primarily used by Israel with deployments in the US and Ukraine, specifically designed to intercept short-range rockets and artillery shells. Each full system costs around $50 to $100 million. Number 4, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD. Developed by the US Missile Defense Agency and Lockheed Martin. Missiles reach Mach 8 with an intercept range of 200 kilometers. Installed in South Korea, UAE, Romania, and Israel. Intercept short, medium, and intermediate range ballistic missiles in their terminal phase. Cost around $800 million per system battery. Number 3, MIM-104 Patriot. Developed by the U.S. Army Missile Command and Raytheon. Missiles travel at Mach 5 with an effective range of 160 kilometers. Deployed by over 15 countries, including the U.S., Germany, and Japan. Specialize in intercepting tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and aircraft. Cost roughly $1 billion per full system battery. Number 2, S-400 Triumph. Developed by Russia's NPO Almaz. This is the world's second most dangerous air defense system. Missiles can travel at speeds up to Mach 14 with a maximum range of 400 kilometers. Operated by Russia, China, India, Turkey, and several others. It can intercept aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles simultaneously. Cost approximately $500 million per system. Number 1, S-500 Prometey. This is the world's most dangerous air defense system. It is so dangerous that it can even shoot down a satellite flying in space. Developed by Russia's NPO Almaz. It is the next-generation air defense system after the S-400. Interceptor missiles can reach speeds up to Mach 14 to 15 with a maximum range of 600 kilometers. Currently operated exclusively by Russia. Designed to target ballistic missiles, hypersonic cruise missiles, aircraft, and low-orbit satellites. Cost estimated at $1 to $2 billion per battery. These top 10 air defense systems represent the most advanced technologies designed to protect nations from modern aerial threats. From Russia's advanced S-500 system to India's indigenous Akash air defense system. Which system do you think is the most impressive? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more defense technology insights.